is how to connect two monitors up to a PC. Here we have two monitors. One's already connected, it's been connected forever. The second one we want to connect, and just make sure that the second monitor's on. You can see there it's powered up. Make sure there's a video cable connected to it, which in this case there is. So here we have the video cable from the second monitor, which is a VGA type cable, coming down, and here we have the first monitor already connected up. So you can see we got one monitor here connected, and we have an extra port here for the second monitor, a VGA port. So I'm logged into Windows 10 now. This is the latest 1709 version of Windows 10. And you could probably do this with Windows 7 or whatever. XP, I wouldn't recommend it. Windows 7, probably fine. Vista, probably just fine. So let's connect up the second monitor and see how Windows reacts to it. Windows 10 is a really strong plug-and-play system. I mean, you can plug something in and it just plays. That's what plug-and-play means. So let's plug this thing in and see how it goes. Okay, here's the plug. Plug it in. Make sure it's the right way. There it is. Screw it on a little bit. Now Windows should notice this monitor was plugged in. So now on the Windows login, you see it's already working. So that's really impressive with the latest version of Windows 10. And wow, I didn't have to do anything. So I'll move the mouse from here to this corner on monitor, left monitor, and see if it appears in the right one. Yep, it does. See how the mouse will follow, or you can bring up an application. This is really impressive. I didn't have to do anything on this latest version of Windows 10. It's like November here of 2012, and I did not have to change anything to do this on Windows 10. That's really impressive. So I can move this over to here and it will just work. Just that my computer's slow. There it goes. So that's what you want to see on two monitors, the ability to move things back and forth. So what if we did have to make some adjustments here? You can go into Cortina here and say Control Panel. This is working perfect, so there's nothing to do, but I'm going to show you if you have like Windows 7 or, heaven forbid, Vista or something awful like that, or Windows 8 or 8.1. You might have to go into Control Panel here and look up displays. The first thing I usually do is go to Device Manager. So here's Device Manager here, and you want to make sure that it got your monitor correctly under display. So here's displays. Mind you, I didn't have to do any of this stuff. There's the graphics adapter. There should be like a monitors thing. Here it is. We should see two of them here. Okay, so it's saying that, yeah, we could update the driver. So it's saying there's a Dell in here. The other one I know is a Samsung. So let's do a right click, update driver, and search automatically and watch what happens here. So there was something here we could do. Son of a gun. And it's going to search for drivers now and download a driver for the Samsung. Not that it might make any difference. It might make the colors a bit more real to life, if it does anything at all. So anyway, that's how to put in the driver for your two monitors. So it's pretty slick now. We have Windows 10 computer running with two monitors, and there's the actual computer. And there's the hookup with the two monitor cables right there. You can see the white one and the blue one are the two monitors that are connected. So I'm waiting for this driver. This can take a long time to download a driver from Microsoft. Let's make sure we're connected here. Wi-Fi's on. Sometimes the Wi-Fi goes to Xfinity, which screws it all up. So this is my Wi-Fi at home. It's not coming through the cam, but it's working. So we're still looking for this driver here. Not that this matters, the monitors are working great. So anyway, what else can you do here in Device Manager? We're going to try and get this generic monitor with Samsung. Network adapters. Everything else in here looks pretty good. This Bluetooth here is having issues. It looks like there's a little signal there for that. So maybe we'll have to look into that later and see why that's not working. Okay, so it says the best driver is already installed here for this generic plug-and-play monitor. So that's the best we're gonna do. I thought this thing here would change to Samsung, but it didn't. Anyway, on Windows 10, that's how to install two monitors. It's really easy. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, you're gonna have to probably muck around with Device Manager. On 8.1, you probably also gotta do a display settings here. And you can see now, here's our two displays. You could identify display 2 with the identify. There's a 2. There's a 1. That shows you what your displays look like. Night light colors, scaling, resolution. You can also, and there's the extend displays. You want to make sure this extend is turned on, and it was turned on in my case. We could also make display number 2 the main display on the right, which I wouldn't recommend. Go back to display number 1 there, which is our main display here. And that's how you do it. So it is really, really well done on here on. And I could also move these displays. I could say, okay, let's put this big one over here. I could actually physically move this display over to here, and then you could switch them like this. So I could drag this one over here, and then that display, do an apply on it. That would become the left display and becomes the right. But now the mouse will be backwards. So if I now go over to here, I will appear on this display over here. It's backwards. So you want to make sure this is arranged correctly as to where the physical displays are. So I'll move it back the way it was. Do an apply, and now it's all good. Anyway, this is how to install two displays on Windows 10. You can also do it on Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1. On 7, 8, 8.1, it's a lot harder. On 10, you can see how easy it is. Anybody can do it. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy your two displays and have a great day.